You know, you're someone who's extremely well put up wherever you go. But do you take, like, especially around Diwali or any festive people? I'm sure these people are dying to get sort of tips of, you know, how do we sort of handle the pressure of dressing up and all of that.
I think Diwali dressing has to be festive. Like, I love colors. Yeah. I love wearing different colors. Of course, I'm dressed in kind of black today, but for a Diwali outing, I think I definitely do color. And I'm a Sindhi, so I like a little bit of bling. I can't let go of that. So little bit of bling has never harmed anyone. No. So go ahead, enjoy the shine, and dress comfortably, because at the end, you know, when you're going to sit in that party for really long, yeah, you want to make sure you're comfortable.
Yeah. Diwali एक ऐसा मौका भी है जब हम you know, हम लोग we look forward to sort of planning. हम दिवाली पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. एक तो आपकी सबसे फेवरेट अब तक की दिवाली मेमोरी कौन सी और क्यों?
Well, strangely, बहुत बचपन में एक ऐसा पर्टिकुलर दिवाली था जिस दिन मैंने और मेरे भाई ने डिसाइड किया कि हम आज से क्रैकर्स नहीं बर्स्ट करेंगे, because there was, you know, we saw the stray dogs and cats which were on the street were suffering due to it, and there was so much dirt and pollution the next day and everything. I just saw that it's not so nice actually. Yeah. So personally, I don't burst crackers, and that was a life-changing thing for me, because thereafter I never burst crackers, even till date.